Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be talking about how to gain over 10,000 views in one day. Stick around, do make sure that you hit that like, subscribe, comment and bell button to be notified whenever I release new content. Do we gain 10,000 views by hanging our child upside down? No. Do we gain 10,000 views by hanging both of our children? No. So we are not going to do that. Safety first. Safety is always priority. And by the way, that's my kids' dolls. Yeah. Okay, enough with that. So now let's continue. So I wanted to share this video on how to propel your videos and to get over 10,000 views in 24 hours. Yay! So I posted a video yesterday. I posted my lose weight fast, no starving video yesterday. And to my surprise today, I opened up the video and I'm like, I gotta share it with my friend. I had a conversation with her yesterday and I'm like, I gotta share it to show her, well, you know, I've been getting my workout, you know, and when I opened up the file to share it, I realized that it said over 7,000 views. So I was like, wait, over 7,000 views? Can that be correct? So I basically, after I opened up the file, I sent it to her and I said in the note as well, I said, I have to check that because I'm not sure if that's correct because it said I had over 7,000 views. I just posted this video yesterday and it said I had over 7,000 views. So I knew I just had to jump on today and share this with you. One of the things about making a video on YouTube, you never, or any social media content, you never know which video may go viral, which video may increase and get views. You know, the thing is, you want to be consistent in posting your videos. And another thing I realize is that people, individuals, viewers, they like authenticity, okay? They like authenticity, okay? So a video that shows authenticity will generate, most people gravitate toward authenticity. So many people like funny videos, they like authentic videos. But for this video, I had integrated music as well. So people like music because people can connect to music in so many different ways. And music is one of the things that, you know, brings some people together, a lot of people together at times in doing celebration. So I had posted this video, lose weight fast, no starving. And in it, while posting it, YouTube had the shorts videos. This is only 9 seconds long, by the way, guys. So it's a shorts video. I posted it. They have the option where you can select a song, or you can select multiple clips of the video that you want to post, and then after that you can select a song that you want to include. You can search by the artist name or the song, and it's a new feature it's a relatively new feature that YouTube has included, which is just phenomenal because it also had some life to your video. Especially, I love music, so if you love music and you can get music that non-copyright music on YouTube, especially these music by famous artists and popular songs in your video, guys, make use of it, you know. So I integrated the song, and I wanted to show my audience, I want to show my subscribers, hey, normally this is how I do things with my weight loss. Normally I don't include workout to lose weight. So I decided I'm gonna show them, well, I've started to include workout in my weight loss regimen. And that authenticity, along with the music and the creativity and the features that YouTube has included or made available to us, I believe that and of course by the grace of God, of course, because I tell you, this channel, when I started this channel, I was like, it's not about me, it's all about God. And God's blessing certainly has been shining through on my channel this time around. And I want to thank all my viewers, all my subscribers for making this possible, where my video has gotten over 10,000 views. I want to thank all of you, my subscribers, current, all my long-time subscribers, and all my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. So this is how you basically gain over 10,000 views in 24 hours. I'm going to show you. So I uploaded this yesterday, which was December the 5th, 2021 to now. So when I checked, I saw that my video, I checked at 3 p.m. today, and I saw my video was at over 7,000 views. It is now after 7 p.m., so it's 4 hours later, and it's almost at 4,000 views. Let's see if it's reached 4,000 as yet. It's almost at 4,000 views. Right now it's at it's almost at 4,000, so it's at 13,900 views right now. So that's an increase of almost 6,000 views. It was at 7,000, so it's almost 6,000, almost 7,000 views right now. So I just want to say again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Continue to support. Do make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and comment button if this video has been helpful to you. And do share the video as well. It does help my channel. It does help my channel a lot, and I thank you very much. So here's the like button right here. If you go ahead and give that a click that like button, and you can share the video as well. And do hit the subscribe button as usual below the video. So guys, do go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and share this video with anyone who it may be helpful to. My video is all about weight loss. It's about physical, mental. It's about physical health, mental health, spiritual health. Lifestyle. Is about vlogging. I do vlogs. It's about God. It entails so much. It's about travel. It's basically anything that has to do with well-being, okay? So guys, as I said, this is a 9-second video, and already I have over 31 views on it. So as you can see, it has definitely increased over time. When I just posted it, it started picking up speed today in the morning, so I didn't check it until 3 p.m. today. So when I just posted it yesterday morning, as you can see, it says I posted it like around 10 yesterday, after 10 yesterday, and you can see as time goes by, I picked up a couple of viewers. I started out slow with 6 views, and then suddenly today, later in the morning, after 9 again, like literally a day after, it started increasing. It started increasing in views, and it just keeps going. And I just pray that it continues to go higher and higher and just increase. So I want to say, guys, continue to support my channel, and I appreciate you all. I'll continue to bring you content, helpful content, and thank you again.